Hey guys, it's Omyzaifu and I'm your CJ waifu. And today we're going to be opening one of the Basara collection thingy-mabobbers that I bought. Because I saw Basara and I had to get it because I love Basara. Basara is like a game that I watched, and it's also an anime. But it's like I don't know. But I really like Basara. So I was like, let's open one today. I do apologize. I didn't do one on Monday because I have a cold sore. If you see it, I'm sorry. I have a fever blister, I think it's called. It's getting there. So I was a little insecure, but now I was like, I can't go on anymore, so I have to do one for Wednesday. So, yeah, so it was really cool. So I thought I opened this one. I do have a manga, not manga. I need to do a manga haul, but I haven't gotten it in yet. But I'm gonna do another Omyami haul soon. So guys, look forward to that. So you know what? Instead of just opening this, we're also gonna do this, and maybe I'll do the Omyami haul next time. Who knows? Or I decide to do something else. Who knows? We'll figure it out when Friday comes. But this is gonna be so cool, and I'm so excited, and I'm like, let's do it. Okay. So yeah, so this is also from the Ami's pre-owned, and this was a A minus B, A minus because it looks like it's been opened, and I think that's probably why it was A minus because it was opened, B because I don't see any little dents or anything. I guess because it's open as well. So that's all we got. So let's open this. I'm not sure what they are. They're like, I was debating if I just wanted to put this in the random container thing. Because I think they're individually packed. Let's see. Come on. They love their tape, guys. Oops. Oh, there we go. I thought I damaged the box. I didn't damage the box. I just damaged the tape. Oh, look. I have no idea what he's shouting. Something complete. I think he's saying complete set. Yeah. I think that's partly what it says. It's a complete set. That's all I can read. I can read a little bit of Japanese, but not a lot. I can speak a little bit. I understand it more so than I can necessarily read it. That's normally how I learn. So yeah. Oops. So yeah. So they're like individually. So I don't know. Maybe I'll open some. Because there's 10. There's 10 of them. So maybe I'll open 5. And then I'll open 5 of the mystery bags. And then we can open the other 5 in another video. Let's do that. I feel like that'd be fun. So let's see. Let's just pick up a random one. Let's see. So, they're mini figures. Okay. So this is what you could get. I don't remember everyone's name because it's been a minute since I watched it or played it. I know this is Matsumune. That's my baby. That's my boo. I love him. I named one of my laptops after him. Matsumune. And then that's Yukimura. I know that one. That's they're arch rivals. Or I guess they're enemies to each other. They're besties. And then also you can get these. There's some of the bad guys. But I don't remember everyone's names. I used to know everyone's names, but I don't remember any more names. Oh my god, my fever blister. Anyway. Let's open. I'm not going to keep them, so if I destroy them, it's fine. Oh my god. They taped this so well. That's why they had a little gray thingy. So he can... Can't even do that right. Let's see. Let's see who we got first. Open, 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 open. Oops. See, told you. I'm not gonna open. Ooh. And this is what's in, and just shows you that. Okay, let's see. Who do we get first? Who's our first one? We got Yukimura first. Yukimura. Yukimura. He has instructions? Oh, you gotta put them together? Oh my. Here's his thingies. Get him out of the blister. He even has a mini blister pack. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at Yukimura. Alright, hold on. Let's get his stuff out. Really? Oh my goodness. Okay. This is gonna take forever. I might not do everyone, but I'm gonna do Yukimura for right now. But I'm just gonna open and see who we have, and then on the next video that we do the next 5, I'll probably have I'll show you all of them once I put them all together. Because I don't know how to do cuts yet. I haven't had time to sit and look at editing software. I probably can do it. Pretty good with computers. So. Alright, that's not have a reenactment of what happened with Deku. By the way, he's still in surgery. He fell into a coma. I still have to. He'll be okay. Don't worry, guys. He'll be back. He's lying right there with his head not attached. I've been kind of busy. And now I'm on a little vacay. A mini staycay. Oh my god. How do you... Oh, there we go. I was like, how do you... Oh my god, this is so sick. It's like you're making a little bigger. Oh my god. Hold on. Guys, I would go faster, but they're so small. And they taped it. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm on a little mini vacay. It's just gonna be a staycay. I'll just basically stay at home and just catch up on some sleep, catch up on some stuff around the house. Oh my god, this is sick. Hold on, there's one more piece. Where does it go? Oh, it sits it right here. I think that's where it goes. Yep, that's where it goes. Oh my god, it's like a bitty. Oops. Popped out. There we go. Oh my god, it's like a bitty figure. Oh my god, these are so cute. That was Yukimura. Alright, let's open. You know what? Let's just rip them open. That came open too quick. Too quick. Alright, let's see who we got new. What are the odds? What are the odds that I open his bestie? Not really his bestie. It's more like they're like enemies. I think they were, I don't remember the whole story, but I think they were friends before, but one betrayed the other. Or it was a misunderstanding. Who knows? Oh my god. Who would have... And I randomly selected it, guys. See? I randomly just picked one. And I just so happened to get him. I'm gonna have plastic everywhere. Alright. No, why is there tape everywhere? No, get off that. Okay, there we go. And then his thingy goes on his head. Is it in? Yeah. And then he has a flag as well. I think it goes this way. Ta-da! Ta-da! There he is! Yukimura wanted to be special and have 3 parts. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my god, I love that about these. I think these were... I want to say $15. Because, you know, I have the other set as well that will open eventually. Alright, let's see who we got. This next one. I forgot his name. Like I said, I used to know everybody's name, but I don't remember his name anymore. He just has a flag, so I'll put his flag on later. I'll make sure his flag. Do they all say the same thing? No, I think they say their names. What was that? 3? Alright. Let's see. Ooh. And I was just looking at his picture. This is his partner in crime. And he also just has a flag. So I don't want to mix up their flags. I forgot your name. I'm sorry. But they're so cute. And they're really detailed to be so small. So cute. Alright. Put him over there. Put his flag next to him. Alright, it's the last one. Oh. Alright. Let's see who we got. Oh! I love him. I forgot his name. I'm gonna say that about a lot of people. He has this face. But yeah. He reminds me of Orochimaru. He does. So who knows if he was modeled after him, because Basara was way before Granted, Basara is also another manga that I love. Just funny. Yeah, he's cool. He comes with his weapons and of course his flag with his name, which I cannot read. Told you guys I can read some. I can't read all. But I know those are their names. I'm making a mess. There's stuff everywhere, guys. Okay. That was it. That was all of them. Yay. We will open these ones in another video. We'll just put them down. Oop. Put them down there. And we put the trash in here. And throw away the box. Normally, I am a sucker for keeping the boxes. I might just keep like this part, but I'm gonna throw away the box. Oh wait, they have these little scenes in the back. So I'll probably, I'm not gonna throw it away. Probably will cut those out. So we're gonna open some of these. So, we do 5. And I also put some new things in there. So it's going to be fun. Yeah. Oh! It's Tokyo Avenger snackies that I got from Omyami. I got 2 boxes. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, I want them. And I want all of them. I want more than just one. So I knew they were going to sell out. And it comes, I believe, with a sticker. 15 total, says. I mean, not 15 stickers. But they come... 15 different ones. Let's see who we got. These stickers are nice. It's a shine and everything. It's the brother. Okay. Those are cute. Alright. These are what the stickers look like. Oh, glare. No. The glare. So yes. Let's open and try one. Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. This way. Courtney. This way. See there? The smells hit me too hard. Sorry, guys. I wasn't ready. Because it's like a sour. I think it's sour candy. That's why I was like, ugh. It hit me. I didn't think it was going to be sour. That was going to be fruity. Let's see. There's the clover that looks like the necklace that Taka Machiki took to his girlfriend. Pretty good. Don't know what flavor that was. Might have been melon. Are they all their clothes? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's Dragon's tattoo symbol. I don't want to make this video too long, so hold on. Yeah. Oh my god, it is melon. See? It's melon. I was right. I was like, it tastes like melon. It literally did taste like melon. I was like, maybe that's melon. There's another dragon. Actually, pretty good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating these. I had tons of them, so they're gonna be. I put them in here because you get the mystery of the stickers. So, I'm ready a little snack for me right now. Let's see. Oh, this was another collector. I guess it was like a complete set from Omyzaifu as well. Let's see which one I'll get. This is what you can get. Takamachiki, Mikey, Ken, Mitsuya, my bad. The brother and the sister. I don't remember their names. Because why do I care? I looked. I saw the pink hair. It's the girl. I forgot her. These are. Oh my god, they're so soft. Hold on. They're like little bees that keep. It's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is cute. That is cute. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. That. I like that. I like that. What was that? 2? Was that only 2? Was that 3? Guys, was that 2? That was 2. All right, we got another Dragon Ball Z ball. This is a 2-star ball. Okay, so That answers our question from last time. Are there different balls? They are. This is a 2-star ball. So that was fitting that the first ball that we got was a 4-star ball, which is Goku's grandpa's ball. Was 2 the second ball that we ever saw? Alright. Let's see. Is this number 2 for second best? So is this Vegeta? Okay, second best. Okay, Krillin. So we got Krillin. And we got a 2-star ball now. But that's really convenient that you get like that. And then you get the keychain. Oh my gosh. Krillin, you're stuck because they wanted to do tape. Oh, this video is so long. I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys like these mystery unboxing things, so I don't mind making it long. Oh my goodness, this Krillin and his dragon. Let's put him with Goku. Hold on. I'll turn it this way. Okay, it's on. Hold on. They are going the wrong direction. 1. Whatever, it's fine. They're there. Alright, that was number 3. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. We open a Hunter one next. You know who I'm going for. We got Kalu already. We got Gon. They came after one after the other. Boop, boop. And then we got the exclusive Illumi. And we got Ponsu. So you know who I'm going for, y'all. You know who I want. So let's see who we got. Ho-ho! Well, was I thinking her name was a P too? It is. Her name is Pocola? Pocola? Which I don't understand why they have. I mean, they're not bad. But I don't understand why they selected those two from the tournament, from the exam. It's like this. Oh, there's characters you could have chose, but you chose them. So I put her with the girl squad. Girl squad. Alright. Let's turn this way so you guys can see. Alright. I need to take some of these out because there's so many gummies. Alright. Ooh, got another one of these. Alright, let's see who we get. They made it so easy to open. I love it. Alright, let's see. Who do you think it is? Who do you guys think it is? Who is it? Who is it? It's Ken! We got Ken, y'all. Oh, this video's gonna take forever to upload. Okay, it's fine. It'll upload eventually. I have to start now. I was like, what fell inside? The little thing about it. Yeah. Why is your back so big? You don't have a bush. Anyway. You don't have a big booty. Oh my god, look at Ken. It is so cute. They're so soft. Okay. Well, that was it. No, that's 5 and 5 of the other ones. Yay! This is great. Okay, I love this. All right. So, look at these. They're so cute and soft. I love them. And then we tried the gummies, which were delicious. It was melon. I'm not sure what the orange one is. I don't know. I know these are melon. There are a lot of melon ones. There's only like 3 oranges. 2 oranges. But these are good. Here's a little sour, but not like a big sour. But these are good. Like Japan, they really don't like, they like sweet things, but they don't like overly sweet things. So it's like it's a light sweet. Not like our snack candies where it's like sweet sugar. I mean, this one has sugar, but it wasn't like overpowering. So it's really cool. But that's it for this video. So that'll be cool. So look forward to the next video. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do opening up some more Basara stuff and then more of these, or I might do my Omyzaifu haul. I don't know. I haven't really decided. I was thinking if I wanted to wait for a little bit more to come, but I might just wait till next week and do those, and I'll do a different video on Friday. I don't know. Who knows? I decide on the day because I'm spontaneous like that. I plan sometimes, and then sometimes I just like, you know what? Let's do it. But all right, guys. That's it for today. Bye.